Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first race in Blox Fruits. Your race is a fundamental part of your character, granting unique abilities and stat boosts from the very beginning. When you first start your adventure, your initial race is assigned to you completely at random. There are several common races, each offering distinct advantages that can significantly impact your gameplay style and strategy. Blox Fruits features several common races, each with its own perks. For instance, the human race offers a balanced approach without specific weaknesses. Scypians enjoy increased jump height and reduced fall damage, perfect for exploration. Fishmen gain enhanced swimming speed and the ability to breathe underwater, while minks receive a significant boost to their overall movement speed, making travel much faster. To discover your current race, simply open your in-game menu or navigate to your character status screen. Your assigned race will be clearly displayed there, alongside other important statistics. Knowing your race is crucial because it allows you to understand and effectively utilize its unique advantages. This knowledge helps you strategize your gameplay and make the most of your character's inherent strengths. As you progress further into the game, you'll discover opportunities to evolve your race to more powerful forms, known as Version 2 and Version 3. These advanced transformations unlock even stronger abilities and require completing specific quests and meeting certain conditions. However, before pursuing these evolutions, it's best to first master the unique attributes of your initial race and understand its full potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.